Welcome to Shane's Main Shop. Today we are going to add some solar lights to the side of the garage. Alright, do you like to do stuff yourself and save a little bit of money? Well, you've come to the right place because that's what this channel is about. If nothing else, I hope you're at least entertained. I have a lot of how-to videos and do-it-yourself type projects here on the channel, so please take time and look around. Anyways, let's take a look, see what we have for today's video. Now, I'm not going to get fancy or fussy with this. I just want to try these out and see how well they work. So I was going to use some double-sided tape, but I decided I am just going to go ahead and put a couple screws in without getting too carried away here at first, and we'll see how these work. So I think we'll put one right there. What we'll do is we'll get them all, we're going to get a couple on here, and then we'll come back out later tonight and see how well they work. Really nothing to this. If I put the screw right up underneath the eave of each little piece of siding here, we won't have an issue with leaking. Screws right up tight underneath here, so if water comes off, it's not going to leak in behind. You could use some silicone, which would not be a bad idea at all, but I'm not going to worry about it in this case because I think we're going to be alright. I like this screwdriver. Incidentally, it's a cobalt, and if you hold this right here, if you're doing little screws, no matter which way I turn this, it's putting the screw in correct, it's turning clockwise, so it's putting it in. If I can find this on Amazon, I'll put a link in the description for this screwdriver as well. And then if you just want to do this as a regular screwdriver, just let go of it and it works as a regular, well, kind of a regular, still a ratcheting screwdriver. And I'll put a link for these lights too. So we'll pull this protective sheet off here. Now it's late in the day, not going to get a lot of sun. It's way down low over there. So I don't know how much they're going to charge right at the moment. But we will put the second one up here a little bit further. You don't want to go too tight, you don't want to crack the housing. Alright, peel that off from my pocket. Now, there is a little pin here. These you can use if you're putting them into an area that does not have wood. You put these in first, and then the little screws would go into this. But, I mean, this is solid wood behind here, so it was not necessary. Now, this little pin here, this shows a little power button. We'll have to check that with the instructions. But I can feel it push. Like, if I push it, I can probably hear it click. So, I don't know which way is on, but we will leave these for now. Hopefully, they get a little bit of light, and see if they turn on a little bit later. Alright, so you can see I got a couple in place here. Now I'm using a different camera, but I'm going to just go ahead. It's daylight. They were up all day yesterday, or half the day, and most of today. We have overcast skies, but if I put my hand over it, you'll see it's going to come on. I can get it covered up enough so you can see the light comes on. So it is working. So the key thing now is we got to wait till nighttime, and when it sees motion with this little sensor here, it'll brighten up and give you plenty of light for the stairs. And it comes with this little key, and there is a little hole right there. You can see it's used to turn the unit on and off, and when you put it in, you can feel a little click for the switch. So anyway, we will wait till tonight, come out and check these out. Alright, so we're just coming out here at night to see if these things actually turn on with motion. You can see it's pitch black right now. Let's see when they kick on, if they kick on. Oh, look at that. That is fantastic. Bam, kicked on. I'm at the bottom of the step here, so it'll make these steps a lot safer. Let's see what happens. There's another one up here. Should kick on here in a minute. Bam, look at that. These are going to be fantastic. Let me get up top here and I'll take a picture looking back down at it. Now the stairs are lit up. That is great. So anyways, thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, comment, subscribe. so you don't miss any future videos. And as always, have a great day. Stay safe. Have lights on outside with your stairs.